Astro Love Check for Jacqueline and John F. Kennedy. The analysis is based solely on the dates of birth, as I do not have any reliable birth times. Let's begin. When John met Jackie, something unspoken began. A meeting of charm and light, but also of longing and hidden ache. He, the Gemini man, quick, magnetic, always searching for the next horizon. She, the Leo woman, radiant, proud, needing not just to be loved, but to be seen. From the very first glance, she recognized his brilliance, and he, her warmth. Two people drawn together by the promise of inspiration. Their sons, fire and air, spoke different languages, yet danced to the same melody. Jackie's Leo heart wanted passion, devotion, the fire that makes love feel eternal. John's Gemini spirit lived for movement, laughter, words that sparkle like champagne. Together they could create a world of light, but only if he stayed still long enough for her to touch his soul. Jackie's moon in Aries loved with boldness, sometimes too quickly, always with fire. John's moon in Virgo, quieter, measured, tried to perfect what could never be controlled, love itself. She needed emotional freedom, he needed order. And so began the silent struggle between heart and reason, fire and form. Yet their Venus in Gemini was their secret bridge, the laughter after the storm, the curiosity that never died. In each other, they found not just desire, but fascination. Conversations became foreplay, words, their hidden intimacy. Still, the deeper currents were not gentle. Both carried Pluto in Cancer, the mark of emotional loyalty that can feel like destiny and sometimes like captivity. They held on even when love hurt, because letting go felt impossible. Beneath the glamour and the roles they played, there was a quiet dependence, the need to belong, to feel safe in a world that demanded perfection. John's Mars in Taurus sought peace and sensual comfort. Jackie's Mars in Virgo wanted to improve, to heal, to refine. They could build together, yes, but also wound each other with the very love they tried to perfect. Her critiques, born from care, his silence, born from fatigue. And above it all hovered Neptune, his in Leo, hers in Virgo, the dream and the reality. John dreamed of ideal love, golden and heroic. Jackie yearned for purity, for truth beneath illusion. Between them shimmered beauty, but also disillusionment, that quiet ache when fantasy meets life. Their story was never simple. It was a meeting of two souls who reflected each other's brilliance and flaws. A love both tender and impossible, real and unreal, the kind that lingers long after it ends. Because some connections don't belong to time, they belong to memory, to history, to that mysterious place where passion and destiny briefly touch and change everything. If you like to hear more of my relationship analysis, please subscribe to my channel and leave a like. And if you're interested in a specific couple analysis, please let me know in the comments. Let the stars shine brightly on your path. Your Astro Mio.